Another theory I heard a little while ago, I forget what it's called, but it's basically how energy and kind of reacts. Like, okay, what I'm talking about is Einstein and Newton were kind of have two different theories for this, and there was a discrepancy between the two theories about how, like, when this like sunlight hits a planet, basically how it reflects off of the planet and around, and both of them were slightly wrong. I don't know what became of this, but so what do we even call this? So anyway, how it works. The sun has a lot of like electromagnetic field lines. Well, first you got to understand how light works in general, right? Like light's energy, and that energy needs to hit mass so that you can see it. Whether it's hitting the atmosphere and oxygen in the atmosphere, creating the blue light that we see all the time, or whether it's reflecting off of a surface of the moon, for example. So, okay, so understand that. So you got this sun that's sending out light in a total of like 720 degrees from a single point in space. So it's sending off light in all directions, and that light, those energy waves, will hit the planet and even hit the electromagnetosphere of the planet. So if it's like, okay, so you got a rising sun and you can see that sun quicker, maybe that's because the light rays are rebounding or getting through in areas through electromagnetic field lines, or getting through and rebounding off of that electromagnetosphere, especially the outside, because the outside is where it's going to be quite strong, right? And so it reflects off of that and in, which is maybe why you have like you see it earlier and twilight lasts longer. Didn't really word that very well. I should have probably did better preparation for that, but you know, it's all in understanding how these, you know, because this solar particles energy actually has mass, so that mass interacts with these field lines, and field lines are they're gonna change quite a bit, right? You're gonna have some energy coming through the vortex, you know, the direct connection between the earth and the sun, and you're gonna have them outside of that too. So there's a lot of different ways, and that's a really interesting study, and I kind of wish I explained it better, but I didn't really prepare this one and I'm just winging it. So have fun with that one, guys. Cheers.